Andres and I went kayaking again. Bam.
Dude, it never warms up. It's moving water.
My toes are fucking freezing.
Jose.
Alright then.
I was gonna tell Checo to pay there, but I knew these fools were gonna get back late.
I'm telling you, fool, Mr. Early Bird gets the worm. Está reteladísimo el agua.
Dude, no, it's the same, bro.
No, it's not.
It's gotta be the same.
Alright, so we started at 9:30. Oh shit. What was that?
I heard it too.
It's right there. Look.
You didn't see it?
¿Ya salió?
Yeah, it looked out.
Verga. A la verga. Ahora sí.
Is that a tree or a post?
On the left side.
Oh, looks pretty low.
A su madre.
I don't want to hit that branch. Tried to rescue it with the branch. 10 minutes in, he flipped already. I turned my kayak right around so I could catch it.
You said what?
I didn't catch all of it, but...
Oh, were you flipping over? I gotta go on to this bullshit.
No, so I could catch you.
Oh. Embarrassing or what?
You tried avoiding that branch, te la veaste mucho.
Yeah, I was trying to lean over to the right.
Crazy.
Valió verga. Ah, la verga.
Where you gonna go?
This shit got filled with water. We'll be right back. Alright, well, I guess we're good. Oh! Where's my fucking paddle?
No, what do you got?
Oh, it's right here.
Oh my
That's a
god,
Stella.
dude.
Oh, my heart dropped. Good thing we're like right there, huh?
You got me, Jose.
Continuamos. Se cayó otro árbol. And now we got 2 trees to get overcome.
3, this one and then the other one. There's another 2.
Oh, sí, verdad. I thought this was part of the other one. Dale tú, yo te grabo.
We're gonna go slow.
Ay, güey.
Alright, we're chilling.
¿Mande?
The duck.
It's a duck? ¿Ah?
I was right behind you, a little wave like.
Ah, sí. Le bajó el árbol. Oh, mira, hay vatos. Hello.
Is there stopping?
Let's go look at the waterfall.
Let's stop here first now and then we'll...
Okay. Nos dimos un remojado. Waterfall, waterfall.
Man, that shit drops hella, you can see.
Left side, right side.
I think right now.
Right?
Yeah, I think right here is like a dead drop.
Ah, ya te fue. Get the ball, ya me fui. Oh, fuck. You fell?
Trying to get in. Yeah, I was trying to get in after the waterfall.
You got it on camera though?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big tree.
I don't know how they got across.
We're gonna have to get off, huh?
So we'll just get off and then climb over and then one by one.
Alright, watch
All the kayaks over?
Yeah. Are you gonna go first?
Yeah.
Get your kayak.
Verga. Alright, how What, you're about to fall? Oh, this shit's going.
¿Y ahora?
Motherfucker! Oh, that's deep! Oh, that's deep! Fuck, man. Oh, luckily there's a branch right. Oh! Oh! Okay. Woo! Woo! You think you got it? You sure?
If I don't, I'll fall in. Fuck it. More highlights for the vlog. Look,
Huh?
check this out, check this out. I'm gonna jump in this bitch.
Alright. What an adventure. Boy, Jose.
Oh boy.
Oh, you're going down that way?
Yeah, bucket.
Verga, took me to you.
Oh fuck. Alright, backwards it is.
No, there's like a big thing where you jump off. No way! What? Your camera? No!
Hello, I am under the water. Please help me.
No way! Hold up, hey! I'm gonna go around that way. Fuck you, there you go. Man, you jump over here, though?
Not that where they're at.
Hey, right here, look. I see some black shit right there. It is, bro. It has to be. It has to be. Oh my goodness! No way!
Oh, we got that shit. Oh, I thought I lost you, bitch.
Oh. We got it over here too, bro.
Oh, man, so much here.
Oh my god.
I was doing one of these, Alright, Raza. Ya se me acabó la batería.
It's still recording, bro.
Yeah.
It probably, was it facing up or you don't know?
I have no idea.
We're just chilling here.
Yeah, we're about to leave, huh? Jeez. Alright, that's the end of this vlog. Catch you in Puerto Rico, fool.